Hi guys, this is Victoria Lenore. I'm in the Luma Pro group, and I also create poses and animations. I mostly do animations for custom work. So I just want to explain a little bit about Avastar. It's a plugin for Blender, and it's really helpful. It's a really great plugin for creating poses. It's really, it might seem like a lot, as a lot of keyboard shortcuts in Blender, but it's not that hard. And people are saying there's a steep learning curve, and I've tried several times to learn Blender, but with Avastar, I'm really getting into Blender. I'm starting to think that learning Blender might not be so hard. It's just you gotta be patient with yourself. There's gonna be a learning curve for any kind of software. You just have to take the time to learn it. Okay, so right now I am at the Blender main page. This is the website, blender.org. Okay, so I have the latest version, Blender 2.72b. If you don't have it, it's free to download, and you should download it and try it out. The interface looks cleaner than it did before. I vaguely remember the older versions. Okay, so let me go over the downloads briefly. Okay, so download is right here, up top on the page, and okay, this is the Windows version. It has the installer file and the zip file. I use Windows, so for me, I could use 64-bit or 32-bit. It's compatible with Windows 8, Windows 7, and Windows Vista. I have Windows 8, so I would definitely use this Windows. There's also a Mac version, which has the zip. And there's a Linux version. I'm not sure what tarball.bz2 means. Okay, and notice it's a USA version. Okay, I would download that because I'm in the USA. Okay. So that's how you get Blender. Again, it's free to download. Easy and quick to set up. Okay. And then let's go back, and to get Avastar, you need to go to a separate site. Okay, on the search bar, you would type in how to get started in Avastar. Okay. Alright, so now all the results go to the first one. You can see I've clicked it several times. Okay. This is at the Machinimatrix blog. It's a very helpful source for anything Blender or anything Avastar. It's owned by Gaia Clary. Gaia is really great at the support and updates. Okay, so this page explains how you install Blender where you can purchase Avastar. You know, you can get it from her blog, blog.machinimatrix.org, or you can go to Jazz in World. Okay. I'm already at her shop. Okay. So there's an Avastar blender. There's Avastar vendor. Sorry. And it'll let you estimate how much you need to pay. So you always have to click the arrow if you want to buy it. You can't just... Well, you can do that, yes, yeah. And it costs 6,500 lindens. And you can join the support group. The Blender Avastar group. Okay. There's the group joiner there. Next to the sunflowers. There's 3 of them. I recommend joining the Blender Avastar group. If you don't have room, you should make room. It's a helpful group, and there's Gaia's in there, and she will help you if she's online. Or there are some knowledgeable users in that Blender Avastar group who can try to answer your question. I've met some nice people in there who really helped me. So yeah, that's it for InWorld. And let's see what it looks like once you have it in Avastar. Once you have it in Blender, okay. So the icon looks like this. It's orange with a blue dot in the center. Okay, and you just click that. Alright. Okay, and it should always tell you the version when you get in. 2.72b. It's their new release from October 21st of this year. It's very cool. And you can recover your last session if you like. Just click anywhere on the screen to get rid of this. You don't work with it there. And this is the basic workspace. Okay, your light source, XYZ plane is always the workspace you'll work on. Okay, and the basic prim that's here, you'll want to get rid of it if you start with Avastar, or any project actually. Just nice to start with a clean slate. So to get rid of this prim, click the delete key on your keyboard. Delete, okay. And you click delete with your mouse, left mouse button. Okay, and it's gone. Yay! Okay. So to get the model, go to add on the bottom, or you can press Shift A on your keyboard, Shift A, and click Avastar. Okay, so Shift A, Avastar is on the bottom, but look, you click Add with your mouse, and Avastar is up top. So, okay. So, I think I prefer to click Add on the menu, because Avastar will be the top most option. So, take a moment to load. Okay. Alright, and here is your model. So you just zoom in. See? So this is what you'll be working with. And if you see here, all these orange, that means it's selected. Okay. But you can't work like this. I mean, you could, but it just doesn't look all that nice. You need an editor. So you go up to default. Okay, top of the screen, default right here. And do hover over and it says choose screen layout. This is on the white 3 squares. Okay. And you choose animation. Right? And this will give you an editor. It says dope sheet, but you can change this so it says action editor. Okay. And you choose the object mode to pose mode. Okay, so now it's green. Okay. Change the views. But the view menu, which is near pose mode. Okay, and if you want to animate, have to make sure you have this circle here. Okay. You grab it and you can bend down. You just bend like that or right here. Okay.